Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're working on a building and we have a unique area. I mean, it's unique to this building. You know, it's one we see every once in a while, but just want to show the benefits of having a stiff, rigid pole. This is a Gardner Ultimate High Reach, and we completed the 4th floor already. I'd moved down to the 3rd floor. The obstacle we get with the 3rd floor is you got maybe a 20-foot roof, sub-roof level right there that bumps out. So what it's going to want to do is when you're water feeding that 3rd floor, you can see how close that water fed pole is to that parapet right here. So when we're doing an upstroke, downstroke, we do not want that pole to be slapping onto that concrete ledge right there, that parapet. So upstroke, you can stand back, get it away. It's currently about 2 feet away from it. But when you go do that downstroke, if your pole isn't a stiff, rigid pole, you're gonna get flex in that pole, and that pole is gonna slap that lower roof level, the parapet that's bumping out right there. So to be able to have a stiff, rigid pole, this is one key benefit a lot of people don't realize. Even residential, you can see this often on even residential where you might be water fed, using water fed pole on a 3rd floor. But there's another pitch roof below you on the 2nd floor that you must clear the obstacle. So just to avoid that slapping right here, stiff rigid pole, that's your answer right there. Quality poles save the user stress on their body, and it also prolongs the life of poles because you're not banging them against lower areas, different things. It makes it easier to screw up, you get better contact to the glass. Just the tip of a rigid pole using water fed poles. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.